Buying a property in Brazil, should you do it by yourself or should you hire a lawyer? Well, if you ask us, we're gonna tell you you should have a lawyer. It's not just because we are lawyers, but it is because whenever you're buying real estate, you are usually spending a lot of money, and in our understanding, you don't want to risk all this money, right? So even if you don't hire a lawyer for the entire transaction, hire a lawyer for the main steps, right? To supervise your transaction, to spend some time reviewing the critical stages of your purchase in Brazil, okay? For people out there, when they are usually considering that question, they are gonna, check if they have connections in Brazil. So do you have a family in Brazil? Maybe you have a cousin who has living in Brazil for many decades. Maybe you have a very close friend living in Brazil. If you do have such connections, so maybe it may make more sense for you to rely on a trusted realtor who's in your friends or family members network. But if you don't have such connection, it surely doesn't make any sense for you to go through a real estate transaction without a lawyer. It's also a matter of considering the risk and the cost relationship. So whenever you're hiring a lawyer, of course you're going to be paying some substantial money. But on the other hand, if you're not hiring a lawyer, you're running a substantial risk. So in which position you want to be? Do you want to run the risk and save some money, or do you want to spend the money and reduce the risk that you're running? Okay. Brazil is a developing country. When you are a foreign citizen, when you're buying properties in Brazil, chances are you're gonna be facing some risks, right? Which are kind of common in developing countries. If you suffer some kind of fraud, it's gonna be really difficult for you, to recover money. Sometimes we have, prospective clients coming to us and say, listen, I was deceived. This person, said that they were selling a property to me. I got a contract, but they never registered the property. Now I want to do something about it. And this property was already sold to someone else. And usually our answer is we can't do anything about it, because for us, to litigate, to take your case to the court and spend maybe 2 decades, right, fighting the other party, the monies that we would need to charge you for that would probably exceed whatever you lost, right? So of course, think about it, 20 years in court, right? So you don't want to be in that position.